Yes, welcome to Cyber Rock. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your helping and subscribe to my channel and very good comment for me and improving my knowledge and sharing your proper information to you. My achievement is everybody is in the expert in the ClearPass. My goal is everybody is expert in the ClearPass because technology is going to upgrade because of the AI going to upgrade the technology. So need to everybody an expert on the each and every moment of the ClearPass. So that's my main motto of this channels. So today guys are joining, most of people are joined, so I'm not waiting for some other people's. So today I lectures only posture policy, discuss about the posture policy, why is important, what is the compliance. So I'm discussing with the posture policy. So just I'm going to my lab, I'm going to start. Welcome to Cyber Rock classes. Okay, this is my lab. Okay, this is a live lab, bro. Okay, that very important for in the lab because of the lab is actual picture and actual scenario of that understanding and overview and configuration parts. Because of the if you're not going to showcase your lab how to do it, how to configure the service, how to configure the posture policy, what is the use of that is very important of the in the lab. Because in the screenshot I'm not going to properly explain to this where it is that function, where tab is there is not find it over the in the screenshot. So that's very important the lab. So my students and my guys respective old students also is going to very in high I mean got this so much knowledge and increase their performance in the IT infra. So I think Manoj is joined. Like Manoj, Rajesh, Mangesh, John, Milind. I think all of join. Okay. So now start we'll discuss about the only for the posture policy, but I have little explanation about the Aruba Clearpass because two students are new joining, so I need to explain the little bit about the explanation of the Clearpass. What is the use of the Clearpass? What is the use of the basic scenario? So today my main mode of the topic is the posture policy. What is the posture policy and how does it is how what is the posture policy? So I am working on the today Dubai to Cisco switch posture policy. I am discussing about this. Okay, but I'm just little bit worried about the ClearPass manager. The Aruba ClearPass manager is platform provide the role and device-based network access control for employee, contractors, and guests across any wired wireless infrastructures. So main motto of the Aruba ClearPass is a policy manager platform provides role-based network access control for employee, contractor, guest, any wired and wireless device infrastructures. Very unique point of that ClearPass is the built-in Redis and Tacacs servers. Is beauty of the product is the inbuilt servers in Redis and Tacacs. I'm as just request to you all my IT infra guys or network guys who is working on the same ClearPass scenario. So most of the person are not using the Tacacs service from our ClearPass. So I suggest you can do it and is used to accountability for use the Tacacs server inbuilt Tacacs server. We are using the main in the I have integrated the Tacacs in the integration the Cisco switches, Arista switches, Palo Alto, HP switches, Aruba switches, Cisco switches, Cyberum firewall, Sonic firewall, again Checkpoint, Fortinet, again HFC switches, again Wi-Fi device, Cisco controller, each and every device in my IT infra I have covered the all authenticate with the my Tacacs servers. Don't use the local database, don't use the simple username and password, use the Tacacs because accountability is there in the EAA or inbuilt in our servers. Main beauty of these products. So please use the Tacacs server. I suggest please use as any challenges facing, please drop a mail or any comments. I will guide you how to do this. So again my previous lecture in the I complete the Palo Alto integration of the ClearPass. So please check my old videos. So ClearPass can be extend the third-party security and IoT system using REST APIs, automation workflow. So our topic only today, I just worry about the ClearPass. That's it, not more That's okay. So please use the Tacacs server for the accountability. Okay. So guys, posture policy. Uh, what is the posture and how to configure the posture policy? The Clearpass policy manager evaluates the health of client that request access using posture policies and audit servers. All these method return posture token. Example: healthy, quarantine, again infected, unknown. Uh, like the posture policy matching the compliance. If they are not matching the compliance, that system going to quarantine. That is a simple way of posture policy. So how to do this? This is my old posture policy. So this is my old posture policy. I need to configure the new one. So I have a look only the old posture policy. I am creating the new policy, but I just have a look what is the old this posture policy configurations. So first I'm creating the new policy, but I'm showing to the old policy. This is working on it. It's already working. So this is a enter the name, posture agent or web agent, operating system Windows or Mac. Okay. This you can select anyone, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Again here you can put any restricted roles over here. Any restricted role you can configure, you can role select over here. Okay. This is a very important rules. This is very important. I will discuss later, but first I will discuss about we can create the conditions. First condition: pass all SV checks. Clearpass Windows the system health check while healthy, and other is system is quarantine. I click on that. Edit rules. Passes all SV check Clearpass healthy. One condition healthy. Second token is quarantine. Fails on more SV checks is the quarantine. Okay, this is a condition. So I am configuring the Windows 10. Enable the Windows 10. I disable the Windows 8. I disable the Windows 7 because recently Windows 11 and 10 is working on it. So this is our automated remediation. Its option is available and notification also available. Okay. Any application gateway, any certification, Bluetooth, it's add or anything, you can add over here. Okay. Name should be there. Okay. So this is the process. So what is the use of this? If you any network environment, you not using anybody, you cannot be used to any DX, any Winx, IP messenger. You should be put over here. This is a block. This is you need the exe file. You need to block. You need to block any exe file. It should be, or Clearpass is capable to blocking the exe. In the TeamViewer, any DX, IP messenger. I am talking about the IP messenger, not exe file. IP messenger only is the simple without exe file. So this IP messenger not been blocked. Only we are blocking the exe files. Any exe file should be blocked in the Clearpass. Please make sure that any exe file should be blocked or Clearpass. Okay. Again the registry keys, antivirus. You can antivirus. Select antivirus what you are using or an environment. Select the antivirus version. What is the version? At least version should be not 14.00. Lesser than version, the system going to quarantine. You can at least mention your version over here. Data file. Data has been updated 12 hours. Last scan 12 hours. Real time protection, yes. Again firewall. We can add the firewall. You have the firewalls, many rules. Okay. Patch management. You can use the patch management. Windows patches. You can configure over here. Hotfix very important because many organizations using the hotfix. because of Windows hotfix launching the any, because see 1 second, because Microsoft had a update the hotfix, so you can select the hotfix, that's it, and save it. Any updates, hotfix update from the Microsoft, you can add it over here. This is a hotfix. So most of the client using the hotfixes. At a simple way, add and add. This is add only. That's it. Any hotfix over here, can add it. That's it. Again, new heads. Testing 1, 2, 3. Unsupported, moderate, any hotfix over here, you can select. It's done. This is our quarantine message display on the OnGuard. I'll show you. Okay, this is hotfix. USB, you can enable or disable USB auto and auto remediation. We can indication notification go to the endpoints. We can disable the USB, remove the USB, or no action. No action means not blocking. Everybody allow, but disable means you can not be, nobody can use the USB. Virtual machine, you should be blocked in the virtual machine. It's possible over here. You can any machine you can block. You can block. You need to block any virtual machine. Nobody can use your environment. You can should be blocked over here. Network connection, it should be configure the network connection like a wired, wireless, any VPN. You can be configure the like a policy. Data encryption, that is a drive. You can configure the drive. This is a multiple drive over here. You can allow, disable, block everything on with the help of posture policy. Okay, install application, that means our Clearpass all versions should be allowed. This is a regular expression. This is regular expression. All is allowed. This is a regular expression condition. This for false statement. This is a false. False mean only for this application now. This for only. This is a false statement. That means this only. This means only for this application allow. If the application installing the different version, different name or different something change, something using 1, 2, 3 or like is not allowed. Only for this condition, only for this name is exact name is allowed. Other than all is blocked. There are in the posture plus there are install applications. There are two conditions. When the regular expresses all is allowed in all condition. Okay, all conditions should be checked boxes tick. On the false statement only for this application or other than that are blocked. Custom script. Any customs is over here, you can configure like that. Okay. So most of the environment, what is the use of the posture policy? They are using the mostly process, antivirus, hotfix, USB, install application. These features are using the most of our bank environment, and most of the client are using for these features only. Process, registry key, antivirus, Windows hotfix, USB, and install application. These applications are using the most of the client. So I just configure the new service. This is the old service. I am configuring the total a new service. I am how to configure the new posture policy. You can configure, click on add, name the policy in new posture UK. Okay, enter the description, any description over here. You can put over here a description. We can select the proper operating system in the Windows, Linux and Macs. I am selecting Windows. Click on plugin. Before enable the plugin, can you configure the rules? You can click on rules, healthy. So 1 second, first enable the plugin, then configure the rule. Okay. Okay, fine. So that means you can enable the plugin. You need to enable the windows. It should be before configure the rule. We can enable the windows. Enables. Save it. Then go to rules. First rule. Again go to next second rules. Quarantine. Click on the checkbox. This is our two rules. Okay. Then go to plugin. I am going to enable the Windows 10. So configure any dex. Okay, then antivirus, enable antivirus, configure the antivirus, click over here, select antivirus, add where, at least, add no version, maybe 1 second, Avast, okay, Avast, at least 14.0. What is the version? We can make sure that can select over the at least version 13.00, data file any fail on selected. So now configure, I am enable the antivirus. Firewall, there is we can enable it. Hotfix, I'll just again show you how to configure the hotfix. When the enter the text, enter, you can check very important hotfix. You can select as per your Microsoft share your hotfix ID, then go to save. So we are configuring just now hotfix. By default the USB enable. I need to disable the USB. You can disable the USB. Again, main important point is install application. We can enable the install application. Okay, I am configuring the add. There are two features over here. Can you check this feature? Application allowed is mandatory. Application allowed is optional. What is the difference between the application allowed and mandatory, and what is the difference between the optional? It's mandatory means that application should be available in your systems. The mandatory means this application should be available in your system. That is a mandatory application. That means you can enable any application like force point. I'm just explaining. This force point application should be available in your computers. This is a mandatory application. Optional application, that means these application available. If not available, not to worry. This is optional application. Abey, these are the application. This is optional application. It should be optional application. You should be on click on over here. Save it. Policy has been created. So what is the policy? By a second, I'm just checking the policy name. What I'm entering the name. This is a policy. What is new? This one policy. Okay. Not issue about this. See, this is the policy going up or down. Not matters. This okay. Not a matter. Policy up or down. Not matters. Not affecting all the policy. Okay. So condition, policy, posture policy, again going to configure. I'm just clicking the regular expression because of the one regular expression. This is vendor application. 1 second, I think I'm not selected over here. 1 second. Add, I think we not selected any application over here. Okay. 1 second. Again going to, this is a, okay, this is a vendor application, this is optional application, this is a false statement, that means only for this application should be allowed, other than that all applications not allowed. This name exactly max, not origin, this simple way, this is only for this application. The regular full regulation means, just a moment, I'm just checking the policy, poacher, Dubai policy, where it is, Dubai policy. This regular equation I will configure, just I am show you how to configure the regular equation or the all the application, not for this, all the version should be allowed, this policy should be allowed. Copy, I think copy not done. Copy, paste over here. I am removing the Clearpass, I am just as add up. It should be check boxes, click on that, and then go configuring the regular expression is all allow. This version it should be, that means true means all version, all numbers or anything can change. Clearpass, it should be all allow the application. Okay, so this is our configuration, how to configure the policy. Even when going to the undefined error, that means the configuration has not been saved. When coming this error undefined, that means your configuration not in save. You can close it, again going to check it, your configuration not in save when you had to change. Just I'm checking. Okay, fine. So I'm just checking this policy, and this policy is working or not, I'm just checking over here. 1 second. Okay, I have the web policy already, I'm configured, though I'm this PC also configured. I'm changing the posture policy, I'm removing and adding this recently configured the policy. Just moment, I'm just checking where new act. Okay, I'm just configure the policy. So just have a look, config is working or not. I'm going to my lab setup. Okay, just I'm logging the setup. Oh, it will take time to my log in my systems. Okay, so just I show today how to configure the posture policy, and the compliance is not matching, the system going to quarantine. The system compliance matching, system is healthy. Oh, 1 second, just I'm checking the OnGuard agent over here. 1 second, just moment, click on the OnGuard agent. Guys, you're understanding? If you're not understanding anything, please let me know or raise your hand. I am not going to any confusion for your further we're going to implement your service. Okay, make sure that should be everybody should be aware about this policy. Okay, install Norton antivirus security application. Okay, I'm just checking this is a policy is properly applicable. Again going to retry. Okay, this condition antivirus, I'm checking the log, that system going to check the log what is happening. I'm just showing the log where it is. I think this is not our PC, I think this is our PC 56. Not, oh, 1 second, just maybe this is over here. 56009, it's maybe correct or not. I'm cross verify them, my MAC address is correct or not. The systems, these are servers. Wait, get MAC 380120. This is a MAC address, this is a wrong MAC address. 3801, 1 second. 3801, 3801. Oh, that MAC address is not coming over here. When I say I'm just copy the MAC and then going to select over here. 1 sec. 380121. Okay. 3801. Okay, fine. So this is our MAC OS. This is our service, correct. I need to check the posture policy. So policy has not changed. Why? Policy has what changed? Why? Because the service, I have USB web service. Posture policy I think को correct है. Posture policy web service correct है. Okay, fine. So why not applicable this? Okay, why okay. 1 sec, I'm just checking the why not hitting the policy is not hitting. Why? Just checking. 1 second. Again I retry the service. Not an antivirus, is maybe policy is correct, but why not showing over here? Just checking. Timing is 12. Okay, timing 15. Timing is I think wrong. This is a service. Please make sure that when going to troubleshoot your log, so please check the request time. This request time is going to please up to date. This is our perfect time. You're not going to change. You can hold this data. You can check the dates, time, everything when going to troubleshoot in the logs. So policy output. See, now the policy is perfectly working. Not antivirus, not available. 93 uplink should be installed. Okay. In all the antivirus install application. So I just remove the antivirus condition. So what will happen? We will check. 1 second. I just remove the condition of the antivirus. I'm just checking the antivirus policy I removed. What is happening? So I just am removing the antivirus. 1 second. I'm remove the condition of antivirus system. Antivirus. I'm just disable it. I'm just disable the antivirus. Okay, have a look what is impact my systems. I just retry the system. I just try what is the change. Okay, so now remove the antivirus condition. I'm just checking the log. I'm just going to check the log. Okay, going to end monitoring, access tracker. Recently log is coming. Yes, recent call log. Output, posture policy, yeah, is correct. Antivirus condition has removed. So again, this unhealthy PC because of the install application should non-whitelisted application should be installed. That's why the system going to healthy. I remove this condition also. Just a moment. I have lab setup, so I'm just checking this testing. What is happening? You can posture plugin configurations. I'm removing the install application condition, so system going to should be healthy. So I'm remove this one. I'm remove sorry install please condition. I'm removing the install application all the conditions. 1 sec. Just 1 second. I'm just posture policy configurations. I'm removing the install application condition. total condition. So what is happening? One sec. Okay, again go to my systems. I'm going to systems, retry. What is happening? System should be healthy because see, it's happening. Bro, this total system healthy. Please, your condition very important. System should be healthy because of the no condition apply, no antivirus, no in quarantine. So that's how to configure the posture policy. I'll show you. This is going to the again go to the my monitoring access tracker. I'm just checking the log. What is the log? System should be healthy. Output posture policy. She is working fine. So this is our working posture policy is working because of your policy configuration in plugin proper configuration, quarantine rules, healthy rules. Because the system going to quarantine, when going to system quarantine, the system is not a compliance match. That time system going to quarantine. So this is our motto of the how to achieve the quarantine rule, how to configure the posture policy, what is the apply. This is our rules. So all my students, I think make everybody can you understanding the how to configure the policy. Anything issue, please let me know. Any challenges or any facing or any other issue, please let me know. Again, one more lecture is pending for the this batch. I think I am not configuring any deployment servers. I need to deploy one server. How to deploy one fresh server in an environment? I'm planning to this lab. So this week or next week I will configure this lab. So I'll show you how to deploy the CPPM server in your VM, and that VM how to able to access your web browser. Okay, so this planning next week or next week I will try planning to the deployment of this lab. Also I will show you how to do this, how to come on. So please guys, make sure that everybody in expert in a Clearpass. That my motto. Please, again, any issue, any challenges, please comment it. Okay, your comment very helpful for me, improving my knowledge, improve my subject line, improve my expertise knowledge. So thank you watching for my channel. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.